Hello everyone, we're going to do a backtracking solution. We're going to try to get all the combinations in an array today. Alright, below here I have shown the equations to get the combinations in an array. N, C, R, and you can see we're going to try to get combinations of an array the size of 3. We're going to try to get all the possible combinations of 2 in an array size of 3. And if you looking at this equation, I did the math already, so there are 3 combinations. And our array will be A, B, and C. Here I'm going to quickly draw down all the possible combinations. We're going to backtrack today. A, B, and C. So here are the possible combinations: A, B, AC, and BC. These are the 3 possible combinations, and we're going to get them today using backtracking and brute forcing the solution. All right. And on your right, you can see that I have implemented the code already. So we have our combinations. We're going to enter our array. We're going to enter our data. The data we're going to print out. So the data is the combination size. So the data will be an array size of 2. The start, the end, the index, and the R, the size of the output we want out of the array. So 2 out of the array size of 3. And we have our index. So this is our base case. I, so this will be 0, the start of our loop. And then we have our while loop. If we reach the end, or if we this one's here is just put for backup. So it will replace the index with all possible elements, the condition, and minus I plus 1 equals our index. Make sure that including one element of the index will make a combination. So this will make sure that the remaining positions are inputted into the array, to the print array, which is data. And then we just recursively call it in the loop, and we do I plus 1 until we reach the end of the loop. So until we reach the end number, which is the end of the array. All right, so let's trace it. So we have our array here. I'm just going to draw it. Let me just draw that again. Zero till 2. All right. To make things short, I'm not going to write combo. I'm just going to write C. I'll put her right here. In C, actually make it easier, make it CO, because the C could be mistaken for a parentheses, CO. Or just put com. Yeah, com is much better. Sorry about that, guys. And we'll put our array A, B, and C. Then you have your data, which is empty. So for execute, you can see in the main function we have A, B, and C. I initialize an array of the size of 2, and I call the array. So the length of array takeaway 1 is 2. Over here, 0, 0, and the last one in the parameters is our R, the combination size we want to get. All okay. 0. Length of array is 2. 0. And R. So here, this will be array data start end index and R. All right. I'm not going to call the array again because the array is the same. It doesn't change. So I'll just put this one here as an array just to save space. We pass it through. You go here. I is equal to 0. So here you go. Say I is equal to 0. We pass it through into our we pass it through data. So data here is A. It's the first element. And then we add one to start and to index. Okay. And here we're going to be tracking, so I is 0 in the while loop. And just want to keep track of the I variable statements. I'm going to put I is 0 here too. So we can keep track of the for loop statements. And then we call this again recursively. We then pass it again. We go into another loop and we get pass on B. All right, we pass this, and then we call again recursively. So we pass it through, we call again recursively, and we reach our base case here. So we now print A, B. Actually, when we reach our base case, we're going to make it yellow. So A, B. We go back here. So I, so we go, okay. We now go, we already did AB. So we're going to do AC. So this gets changed to 2. This gets changed to 2. We reach the end of the array. So therefore, we go back, we go here, we make another call. I is now equals from 1, to 2. So now I is 2, so and we have already 8 arrays, so we go com array I is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and we print our base case. AC. So we're done this recursive statement. Now we go back to the main call. We've done the recursive calls. So now here I is equal to 1, 1, 1. We're going to go here. We need the extra space. One. So now we have our array. We have B. Now we add 2, 2, 2, 2. Do another recursive call. And we have now print BC. We exit the main call and we're done with all the recursive statements. I kept it short here, guys. I wanted to show you backtracking to get all the possible combinations. And I hope you enjoy this video.